InterswitchSPAK is an IntersWitch Switch a Future initiative.
I would like to study nuclear engineering in MIT because I would like to provide alternatives to energy sources to the whole world.
I would like to study chemical engineering at the University of Miami because I would like to look more into the chemistry world and use chemistry to innovate the world.
I would like to study electrical engineering in the University of Toronto, Canada, so I can invent new electrical machines to make life easier.
I would like to study medicine at the University of Ibadan because I would like to impact in the general public a positive difference in terms of healthcare delivery.
I would like to study mechanical engineering at the University of Ibadan so as to improve the construction of infrastructures.
I would like to study civil engineering at the Obafemi Awolowo University in order to improve the state of infrastructures and road building in Nigeria.
I would like to study electrical engineering in Covenant University so as to fix the power problems faced by Nigeria.
I would like to study medicine at Stanford University, California, in order to treat many people with mental health problems around the world.
I would like to study electrical engineering at the Obafemi Awolowo University so as to provide solutions to the power issues in Nigeria and also to provide better energy solutions for the world.
There is only one thing that is stronger than all the armies in the world combined, and that is an idea whose time has come. Victor Hugo. Welcome to the semi-final stage of this competition. This is InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on. The journey started with 18,000 students from about 1,800 schools across Nigeria that wrote the qualifying examination via the CBT platform. 81 with the highest scores made it to the prelims, and I am down to 27 finalists, semi-finalists, and I have 9 of those semi-finalists here today. The winner of InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0 will get 7.5 million naira, which covers a 5-year university scholarship, inclusive of a monthly stipend, a brand new laptop, and the bragging rights as the best STEM student in Nigeria. We're not leaving out the second place winner, as he or she will get 4 million naira, which covers a 3-year university scholarship, inclusive of a monthly stipend and a brand new laptop, while the third place winner will get 1 million naira, which covers a 1-year university scholarship and monthly stipends. But first, let's celebrate our SPAK hero.
A prodigy in every sense of the word, Anne-Marie Imafidon is the youngest female scientist to ever pass A-level computing at age 11. Growing up with genius siblings, Anne-Marie was raised with guided discipline by her parents, Edo State indigents from Nigeria, Dr. Chris and Anne Imafidon, who emigrated to London over 30 years ago. At age 13, Anne-Marie received a scholarship to study mathematics at Johns Hopkins University and was one of the youngest people to be awarded a master's degree in mathematics and computer science by the University of Oxford at age 20. At 27, Anne-Marie became the youngest scientist to get royal recognition since 1890 for her exceptional excellence and outstanding service to young women and STEM industries. She was named Member of the Order of the British Empire, MBE, in 2006. Since then, she has forged an enviable CV, including positions at Goldman Sachs, Hewlett-Packard, and Deutsche Bank. Then there are the honorary doctorates from the Open University and Glasgow Caledonian University, and an honorary fellowship at Keble College, Oxford. She also received several awards and recognition, including the UK IT Industry and British Society's Young IT Professional of the Year in 2013, Red Magazine Woman to Watch in 2014, the 8th most influential woman in IT in 2016, Evening Standard's list of 25 under 25s, and one of Guardian's top 10 women in tech you need to know, among others. For Anne-Marie, STEM subjects are not just about solving problems. They can also be used to change people's lives for the better. More than anything, Anne-Marie serves as a role model to young people with a symbolic message that irrespective of gender, we all have the ability to spark a brighter future.
That was truly inspiring. I'm sure that my Super Sparks are fired up. Hello, Kofo. It's good to see you again. How do you feel?
Fine, you.
What should we expect from you in the semi-final?
To proceed to the finals.
I like that. Very straight and direct. Elijah, the last time you sent down fire to the competition, are you willing and ready to send down more fire this time around?
Yes, you.
Fantastic, fantastic. Koyum, what was the last thing we talked about in the prelims?
I was trying to explain the reason why I wanted to study chemical engineering university.
So now that you've made it to the semi-final stage of this competition, what are you going to bring on board?
I'll bring up the very best.
The very best. One day. How you doing?
I'm fine.
What university would you like to attend?
I would like to study University of Toronto.
Why?
Because that university is very good at any course that deals with engineering.
Tolu, how are you?
Fine.
What university would you like to attend?
I don't really know for now, but I'm considering maybe outside the country.
Outside the country? That's impressive. So you're also looking at getting some scholarships?
Yes, sir.
All right, Super Sparks, welcome, welcome, welcome. You're very familiar with the rules already. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
The foundation round starts officially now. Question 1. Which of these hormones have an increasing effect on heartbeats? Is it adrenaline, thyroxine, acetylcholine, or prolactin? Which of these hormones have an increasing effect on heartbeats? The correct option is A, and that is how to start the competition. All our Super Sparks got the correct answer. Question 2. Find the value of x if log 5 base 10 plus log 5x plus 1 base 10 equals log x plus 5 plus 1 base 10. A, 3, B, 5, C, 10, and D, 1. Correct option is A, Jubril, Elijah, and one day. You failed to impute your answer within the 15 seconds window. Please, let's be fast, okay? None of our Super Sparks actually got the correct answer. Question 3. What is the name of the organic compound shown? Is it methoxymethane, ethanol, methyl metanoate, ethanoic acid? What is the name of the organic compound shown? Koyum.
Yes, hero.
What's the answer?
A, methoxymethane.
Are you very sure?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Why?
Because it has the ether leakage, and the ether leakage shows the presence of an alkoxy alkane, and an alkoxy alkane should be above is the methoxymethane.
Koyum is correct. Super Sparks, you can see your scores. Tolu and Samuel, you provided the incorrect answer. Better luck next time, okay? Well done to the rest of the Super Sparks. Question 4. Which of these cells is a secondary cell? Simple cell, Daniel cell, Elanke cell, nickel ion accumulator. Which of these cells is a secondary cell? Tolu, you need to step it up. Remember, this is the semi-final stage, okay?
Yes, sir.
The stake is higher. I believe in you. You'll do better next time. Congratulations to all the Super Sparks. You got the correct answer aside from Tolu. Question 5. The compound shown belongs to what group of organic compounds? Is it alkanols, ethers, esters, or alkanoic acids? The compound shown belongs to which group of organic compounds? Koyum, Jesse, Tolu, and Samuel. You provided the incorrect option. The rest of the Super Sparks got the correct answer. Question 6. One of the criteria for confirming the purity of ethanol is to determine its what? Is it heat capacity, solubility in water, boiling point, or melting point? Super SPAKs, you can see your scores. Aside from Jubril, Jesse, the rest of the Super SPAKs provided the correct answer. Well done. Question 7. Which of these is not an electric insulator? Is it glass, silk, damp air, or ebonite? Which of these is not an electric insulator? Well done to those that got the correct answer, and to those of us that provided the incorrect answer, I wish you all the best in the next question. Question 8. Which of the following is not an exterior angle of a regular polygon? Is it 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 22 degrees, 24 degrees? Which of the following is not an exterior angle of a regular polygon? Correct option is C. Elijah, why did you select another option?
I didn't check it well.
Accuracy is as important as speed, okay? So you need to be accurate, not just fast, all right?
Yes, sir.
Better luck next time. We're now halfway through the foundation round. The foundation round continues after this break.
Everything is impossible until it's done. This has been our story since inception. And today, we can boast of a platform where everything is possible. And like before, we succeeded in getting your attention, didn't we? Quick Teller. Everyday payments made easy.
Welcome back to Nigeria's best STEM competition, InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. Proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. I can tell you free of charge that the race is tight. I have 9 Super SPAKs in the semi-final stage of this competition, all racing for the 3 available spots at the final. Who amongst them will make it? Super SPAKs, are you ready for the next set of questions?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Please let's all focus, all right? Question 9. Which of these is absent in prokaryotic cell? A, nucleus, B, plasma membrane, C, DNA, and D, cell membrane. Which of these is absent in prokaryotic cells? Correct option is A, nucleus. Kofo, Elijah, Koyum. You'll do better next time. Well done to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Question 10. Passing chlorine through a water sample will cause the pH of the water sample to be what? Is it 0, greater than 7, equal to 7, or less than 7? Passing chlorine through a water sample will cause the pH of the water sample to be what? Correct option is D, less than 7. Let's see how well our Super SPAKs have fared. There you have it, Kofo, Elijah, Samuel. Let's step it up in the next question. Congratulations to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Question 11. What energy is stored in a 6 farad capacitor with a voltage of 10 volts across its terminals? Is it 600 joules, 300 joules, 600 joules, 280 joules? You can see your scores. Kofo, Elijah, Wande, Koyum, and Michael provided the correct answer. This is question 12. What is the relationship between the angles indicated in the image? S equals T plus 2U plus V, S equals 180 degrees minus brackets T plus U plus V, S equals T plus U plus V, S equals T minus U plus V. Correct option is C. None of our Super SPAKs got the correct answer. I wish you all the best in the next question, okay? Yes, sir. Question 13. An example of a freshwater habitat is what? Is it a lagoon, estuarine, ocean, or river? An example of a freshwater habitat is what? Correct option is D. I love this. Well done to all our Super SPAKs. They all gave the correct answer. This is a very tight race, I can assure all of you. Anybody can leave and anybody can stay. Question 14. Which of the following cannot be an empirical formula? CH, CH2, N2O4, P2O5. Which of the following cannot be an empirical formula? Elijah, what was your answer?
D.
Is that the correct answer? No. What's the answer? C. I just need all of you to be relaxed, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
You know the answers to these questions, just make sure you select the right option. We're now 2 questions away from the end of the foundation round. Here comes question 15. If x equals 0.5 and y equals 0.2, find the value of root 0.6 times 3y all raised to power x. Is it 4 over 5, 1, 2 over 5, or 3 over 5? Jubril, you failed to impute your answer within 15 seconds. Koyun and Michael, you also provided the incorrect answer. You do better next time, all right? Well done to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Here comes question 16. In the image shown, the path labeled C is called what? Is it focal length, optical center, principal focus, or radius of curvature? In the image shown, the path labeled C is called Super SPAKs. You can see your results. Jubril, Kofo, Elijah, Jesse, and one day you provided the incorrect answer, and well done to the rest of the Super SPAKs. At this point in time, I can't even wish you more luck in the next question because there is no question. It's still the semi-final stage of InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. The Super SPAKs are awaiting their fates, but you will know that after the break.
The good life is whatever you want it to be.
Excuse me, can I get another one to take away, please? Thank you.
Choose Verve for the good life.
Welcome back. This is InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by InterSwitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on. Before the break, we saw our Super SPAKs complete the foundation round. It is now time for me to announce the Super SPAKs that will be making it to the advanced round. Kofo, how are you? I don't like the look on your face. Come on, smile. Smile for me, yeah? How do you feel, genuinely? Do you think you've made it? I can't hear you.
I don't know.
You don't think you've made it? Kofo, you've done well. Your school is very proud of you. We are proud of you. Nigeria is proud of you. Okay? Please do not let anybody make you feel that you're not smart. You are intelligent enough, you're smart enough, and you're a true scientist. Okay? But I'm really sorry to inform you that this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. I'm really very emotional at this point in time. I'm really sad to see Kofo go, but I still have 8 boys, and I need 3 extra boys to join Kofo. So which of these boys will be catching the next available flight or bus home? Tolu?
Yes, you.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
Do you think you will make it?
Not really sure.
Well, I can tell you free of charge that your point is a little bit low, and there are a lot of people that had higher points here. We'll find out. Jubril.
Yes, you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling anxious.
And why is that?
Because I'm not quite sure if I'll qualify to the next stage.
Do you think you deserve to qualify? Did
Yes,
you work hard enough to qualify?
Yes, you.
We'll find out. Koyum.
Yes, you.
So do you think the two of you, One Day and Koyum, do you think both of you will make it to the next level?
Not really sure.
All right. Without further ado, joining Kofo is Jesse with a total of 80 points, Elijah with a total of 75 points, and Samuel with a total of 75 points. You've all done well. You're now standing in this competition, but sadly, this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. All right, I have 5 of you right now. The battle just got started. Remember, you're battling for 3 available spots at the final, okay? So you have to put your best foot forward. Do we understand?
Yes, Cyril.
Welcome to the advanced level. Here, each of you have the opportunity to select your preferred subject areas from where questions will be asked. You will all take turns to select 5 subject areas from where 15 questions will be pulled specifically for you. Now, after the turn, you have exactly 45 seconds to attempt your 15 questions. If you miss or pass on a question, not to worry, you can still get back to it provided it is within your 45 seconds. At the end of the advanced level, only 3 of you will proceed to the final. To determine the order of play, we will have to take a turn. Today's take a turn is a puzzle. Here comes your take a turn puzzle. Match the following cities with their respective countries. The cities are Tokyo, Mumbai, Seoul, Beijing, and the countries are... Jubril is first to solve the puzzle, followed by Tolu, followed by Michael, Koyum, and Wande. That was pretty fast. Well done. It is now time for us to load our question bank. So, Jubril?
Yes, Cyril.
I'm sure you already know the drill, huh?
My name is Jubril Dokun, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. What is the chemical formula of
Al2O3.
PBO is a chemical formula for which compound?
Lead oxide. Lead 2 oxide.
The ability of carbon atoms.
Calcination.
The basic unit of the kidney.
Nephron.
In embryo development, the
Pass.
fertilization whereby the egg and
Pass.
the junction between the neighboring neurons.
Pass.
What term describes the ability?
Irritability.
The region of cell division in plants is
Pass.
If the cubic expansivity of a body is 3.6,
1.2 times 10 to the power minus 4 per Kelvin.
a cylinder standing on one of its circular surfaces in what?
Neutral equilibrium.
What is the upper fixed point of the Kelvin scale?
373 Kelvin.
In what form of government is political power
Pass.
inherited? Rome is the capital city of which country is your last question?
Greece.
Well done, Jubril. Well done.
My name is Adiako Toluwanimi, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. What is the functional group of alcohol?
Pass.
What is the chemical formula of phosphorus?
P3O4.
Which element has the electronic configuration?
Sulfur.
What is the name of the hormone that plays a key role in tonicity?
Pass.
What part of the scapula does the humerus articulate?
Coracoid.
What type of fission occurs in asexual reproduction?
Binary fission.
What causes galvanized iron sheets under sun to make crack noises?
Heat.
Which color of white light is reflected by a green shirt?
Black.
What is the kinetic energy of dog with mass 30?
3,000.
Express 0.0.
8.751 times 10 raised to the power minus 3.
If x squared plus 6x plus k has equal roots, find 2k.
18.
Add 5% of 20 to 20% of 5. That's your last question.
2.
Well done, Tolu.
My name is Okolo Michael, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. What gas is giving off?
Pass.
The process of adding calcium or magnesium compounds to soil to neutralize its
Pass.
acidity. What is the oxidation state of carbon in CO2?
+4.
Where is the adrenal gland?
Above the kidney.
Cellular respiration involving oxygen and glucose.
Pass.
What structure in an embryo?
Pass.
A fair die and a coin are thrown together once.
1/6.
Find the range of 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 15.
13.
Express
3.01 times 10 raised to the power minus 5.
What is 1% of 5 scores?
1.
Evaluate 900
Pass.
divide. From the integers 1 to 20, what is the probability?
1/4.
Well done, Michael. Well done.
My name is Ali Koyum, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, Koyum, now is your time to spark. CaO2 is the chemical formula for which compound?
Calcium oxide.
How many atoms make up?
5.
The chemical formula for sodium sulfate.
Na2S.
A relaxed or resting period of the heart.
Systole.
What is formed when hemoglobin?
Oxyhemoglobin.
Blood circulation from the heart to the lungs.
Systole.
Which component of white light is least deviated?
Red.
The wall of a hot teacup loses heat by what mode of heat transfer?
Convection.
What is the period of a vibrator which makes 200 complete oscillations in 10 seconds?
0.05.
What is the gradient of the line 2y equals?
-3.
If
30.
Find the range of 4, 3,
6.
The largest planet in the world is?
Jupiter.
Well done, Koyum.
My name is Wala Olawande, and I'm ready to spark.
Now is your time to spark. The valence electron of sodium are in what orbital?
P.
What is the chemical name for CuO?
Copper 2 oxide.
What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in NH4?
-1.
What type of lens is used in simple camera?
Convex.
The area expansivity of the body is 2.2 times 10 raised to the power
1.1 times 10 to the power -5.
What is the period of vibrating object which produces
0.04.
What extension is produced when a force of 200 Newton to a wire?
0.5.
A 2,000 watt engine moving at 40 meters.
50.
What work can a 300 watt engine do in 15 seconds?
4,500.
Express 300% of half in fraction.
1/3/2.
If alpha
Pass.
beta. That was your last question. But well done, one day.
Shit.
Who are my semi-finalists? All right, Super SPAKs, you have done well. I'd like to congratulate the 5 of you. You know that only 3 of you can move on to the final. I mean, I hate to do this, but the rules are the rules, okay? So I'd like to congratulate you. Thank you so much for coming on this platform. You've done incredibly well. Tolu and Michael, I'm afraid to inform you, but this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. Thank you so much for coming. Congratulations to One Day, Jubril and Koyum. Koyum had a total of 180 points, followed closely by One Day with 160 points, while Jubril had 140 points. A big congratulations to our finalists. It's been a very riveting episode of InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0. We just saw Koyum, Jubril, and One Day qualify through to the final. That is simply incredible. Tune in next week to see another set of finalists on InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0. I'm Hero Daniels, and till I catch you next week, same time, same station, do not forget, let your thoughts reflect your hopes and not your fears. Bye.
InterswitchSPAK is an InterSwitch switch a few